I introduce our speaker, Ms. Anukriti Sharma. Ladies and gentlemen, it is great pleasure to welcome Ms. Anukriti Sharma, a renowned communication and confidence coach, to this prestigious platform. She is known for empowering professionals and corporate leaders to overcome self-doubt, strengthen executive presence, and communicate with confidence and clarity. Please join us in welcoming her with a huge round of applause. Please, everyone, can we have a huge round of applause for the very first session, everyone?
Well, this is absolutely wonderful. Tony and Dipanchi, thank you so much for that introduction. It empowers me and humbles me at the same time. So, before I start with the keynote and speak about the work that I do, it's very important for me to say what I don't do. Okay, so the slides gone away, we could have it back. Personal development and confidence coaching. इसके पहले कि मैं बताऊं मैं करती क्या हूं, ये बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि मैं करती क्या नहीं हूं. Anytime people talk about image consultancy, image transformation, they start to think about styling and fashion. मैं image styling नहीं पढ़ाती, मैं fashion designing नहीं सिखाती. What I teach, however, is that each and every one of you has the power to be a personal brand. I build personal brands out of each and every one of you. So right from the way you stand, your posture, your presence, the way you enter any room and make people feel your presence, your aura, जिसको हम electromagnetic signature बोलते हैं आपका. Then your power dressing and your personal brand. These are the things I work on. So I work predominantly on the skills which are most important today. Communication and leadership. ये दोनों चीज़ें होना आज बहुत ज़रूरी है, and these eventually lead to the overall personality and image transformation, ladies and gentlemen. So starting all the way from your aura, आपकी energy कैसी है? All the way to the kind of clothes you put on your body, which align with your values and the why, the purpose of your life. The tone of your voice, जब आप बात करते हैं तो आपकी tonality कैसी है? And down to the words. तो मेरे profession में अक्सर लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि अनुकृति, as a personality development coach, क्या आप personalities को बदल देते हो? No, I don't. I reveal your true personalities minus the fear, minus the self-doubt, minus the overthinking, and minus the anxiety. So more than personality transformations, I believe I facilitate the process of personality revelations. I believe that each and every individual here in this room who is on their path to growth and success should not be just accepted and tolerated, rather should be trusted and respected, and all of you deserve that. And on that note, I've got some points with me, and I'd like to share those with you. So I'll not take much of your time, but if you're all set, I would like to share some insights with you on overall growth and success, speaking about academicians and businessmen and businesswomen who have joined us here today. This is about national excellence. So I'm going to touch upon education and business both. And if you will take some notes and take them home and then probably ponder at some time later, I want to share some ideas with you today. Some ideas which you should ponder on and probably will lead to the facilitation of further growth in your career and your businesses. So, how many of you already know me here in this hall? Nobody. Nobody. I'll tell you what, sir. I'll tell you what. I always used to think I'm such a famous personality. Thank you. But आज मुझे पता चल रहा है that barely anybody knows me in Delhi. I used to think that I'm such a famous person, but that definitely settles that. A long way to go. There are four kinds of ifs in your life, ladies and gentlemen. ध्यान से सुनिएगा, ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगी. Four ifs. If we can tackle these four ifs in our life, I think we all can go far, far along the path of our journey and our success. आपका पहला if है, if you learn. Gather as much information as you can. Gather as much knowledge as you can, because trust me, there is no bigger tragedy in life than being stupid. Nothing worse than being stupid, right? And on top of that, add one more combination: broke and stupid. That's even worse. And probably that's the worst that we can think about, unless you're sick as well. So sick, broke, and stupid. Can't even think about it. Unless you're also ugly. Ugly, sick, broke, and stupid. That's probably the most negative form of a life that we could think about. Ladies and gentlemen, ignorance is not bliss. Ignorance is tragedy. Ignorance is devastation. Ignorance is a poor life. And I'm not just talking financially. Ignorance is being broke. It's time to learn. And how can you learn? From your own experience. जिंदगी आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाएगी. There will either be prosperity or there will be adversity. अगर prosperity है, well and good, learn from your positive experiences. अगर adversity है, learn from those negative experiences. At least pray for either of these. Learn from your experiences and then learn from other people's experiences. If you can get somebody's experiences, 30 years of life experience packaged in a book for $150, go buy it. Learn from people's experience. My second if for all of you today is try. So just a small anecdote. Yesterday I was in Gurugram, Gurgaon जैसे पहले बोलते थे, and I was hosting SV Sharks Season 4, which is a live pitching event for startup founders and entrepreneurs. And I met an angel investor, Mr. Mandeep, and I asked him कि अगर किसी इंसान के पास टाइम हो, पैसे हो, नॉलेज हो और नेटवर्किंग हो, तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या चीज़ होती है एक स्टार्टअप फाउंडर के लिए? You know what he said? I don't know. Just try. Build the forward momentum and just do it. So if you try, and if you don't try, you will never know. Look at me, I'm a speaker today. There was a time back in the day, 15 years ago, I stood on the stage for the first time, and when I opened my mouth, nothing came out. The Lord knows, you and I are meeting 15 years later. Or you would have hated me for the way I performed, but I still pushed and I struggled on that stage 15 years ago, and I made it through my first keynote. So if you try, things will happen. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गिरोगे, लेकिन आगे बढ़ोगे, सीखोगे. If you don't try, you will never learn. And my third if you stay. Persistence. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोगों के पास persistence है कि नहीं, ये आपको अपने आप से पूछना है. I believe most of you are educationalists and successful business people. Passion सबके पास होता है कुछ नया शुरू करने के लिए, but boss, उसे स्टार्ट से फिनिशिंग लाइन पर ले जाने के लिए persistence ही चाहिए होता है. So if you stay long enough, because there will be times when it will be hard and it will be hot and it will be uncomfortable and it will be tough. The question is, will you stay and will you be persistent? And then my last if for all of you and your growth, if you care. Now, if you care at all, if at all you care about whatever you do, it can be your business venture, it can be your idea, it can be your why, your life's biggest purpose. If you care at all, you will get results. But if you care enough, you will receive fantabulous results in your life. अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूं कि अगर आप जरा सा भी केयर करते हो ना कुछ तो हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर आप सच में केयर करते हो तो आप एक कमाल की जिंदगी जी सकते हैं. Now that brings me to 4 extremely important emotions when it comes to taking some big decisions in your life, when it comes to your career and your business. Emotions are very strong, ladies and gentlemen. आपको लगता होगा कि उद्यम में या फिर नौकरी में IQ सब कुछ होता है. No, it's not. It's not always about logic, figures, facts, stats, numbers. No. Emotions are extremely powerful. And the first emotion is disgust. How many of you in this hall, let me know and raise your hands. How many of you have felt disgust in your life during the course of your journey as an entrepreneur or as an educationalist or as an employee or as a business person? How many of you felt disgusted the day you said, I've had enough? How many of you went through that? This is it. I've had enough. Enough. The day, I can see many hands being raised, the day you say I've had enough is probably not the day when things end. It's probably the day when things really begin. Am I right? If you agree with me, round of applause for all of you. It's that day when things really begin. I've had enough. Disgust is important. अगर आपने disgusted महसूस नहीं किया है तो आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. The second emotion is decision. Decision making is an extremely emotional process. It's like an internal civil war. When you can't sleep, when you have cold night sweats, and you have to take that critical decision when it comes to serving your life purpose, serving your why. To be able to take that decision, to be able to let go of certain things, to grow on your path, takes guts. So decision. And then comes the third, desire. The emotion of desire. And desire is very powerful. Couple of things about desire, ladies and gentlemen, I'll share with you. ये जो desire है ना, ये अंदर से आती है, बाहर से नहीं. It can never be generated from the outside. It's always generated on the inside. And one more interesting thing. Desire can be easily triggered. It could be a meeting with somebody. It could be a vacation. It could be a life event. It could be a conversation. It could be a lecture. It could be a seminar. It could be a networking event like this. Desire can be easily triggered. So the emotion of desire, how bad do you want it? That's desire. And then the last one, my favorite, resolve. The man or the woman who says, I will. You know, the universe works in a very beautiful way. The universe has its way of setting everything aside the day a man or a woman says, one of you says, I will either do it or I will die. Burn the boats. I'll either do it or I'll never return. The day you can say that, there is a power to the human will. I will. So remember, if you can take these notes today, the 4 emotions that can transform your life. It's disgust, decision, desire and resolve. आप में से यहाँ से बहुत सारे लोग बिजनेस पीपल हैं. इस की नोट को आगे बढ़ाते हुए बस एक छोटा सा एनेक्डोट शेयर करना चाहूँगी एंड देन आई विल रैप इट अप. आई नो वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑन टाइम. जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर उद्यम करते हैं, आप सभी लोग राजस्थान के बारे में जानते हैं. कुछ लोग राजस्थान से आए हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर विजिटिंग अस फ्रॉम राजस्थान? क्या बात. अबाउट 3 days ago I was in राजस्थान hosting an event. राजस्थान की एक बहुत ही खास बात है. कुछ इलाके हैं, कुछ ज़िले हैं राजस्थान में जहाँ पर बरसात नहीं होती, और ऐसे कुछ इलाके हैं जहाँ पर बरसात अच्छी होती है. तो जहाँ पर बरसात अच्छी है वहाँ के लोग बहुत खुश रहते हैं. खेती बाड़ी भी अच्छी होती है, काम भी अच्छा होता है और सुकून की ज़िंदगी है. एवरीथिंग इज़ नाइस. बट जिन ज़िलों में बरसात नहीं होती, उन लोगों को बहुत तकलीफ़ होती है या होती थी एक ज़माने में. तो जब बरसात नहीं होती तो खेती बाड़ी नहीं कर सकते. खेती बाड़ी नहीं तो फिर काम, नौकरी. नौकरी भी कौन देगा? नौकरी कोई दे नहीं सकता. जब उद्यम की बात आती है यानी कि बिजनेस, तो उद्यम भी कैसे करें, क्योंकि सभी लोग गरीब हैं. तो इन सब लोगों को मजबूरी में इन ज़िलों से निकलकर बाहर जाना पड़ा. ये लोग उद्यम करने लगे एंड टुडे दे आर वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट बिजनेस कम्युनिटीज़, द मारवाड़ी कम्युनिटीज़. आई एम श्योर यू आर अवेयर ऑफ देम. एक बात बोलूँगी यहाँ पर, अगर उन ज़िलों में बरसात होती, खाना पीना समय से मिलता, सुकून की ज़िंदगी होती, मौसम अच्छा होता, बारिश हो रही होती, तो शायद ज़िंदगी बढ़िया तो होती. लेकिन ये लोग कुछ कमाल नहीं कर पाते. कमाल इसीलिए कर पाए क्योंकि उन ज़िलों में बरसात नहीं होती थी. तो अगर आप लोगों को ज़िंदगी में कभी झटका मिले तो ये मत सोचना कि मुझे झटका क्यों मिला. झटका जब तक ज़िंदगी में नहीं मिलता तब तक ज़िंदगी कमाल की नहीं बनती. और अगर झटका लग जाए तो सोचना कि भगवान ने मुझको एक चांस दिया है. झटका लगना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और अपनी बात को विराम देने से पहले एक बात और बोलूँगी कि महात्मा गांधी कोई तभी बनता है जब देश पराधीन होता है. आज तक किसी आज़ाद देश में कोई महात्मा गांधी नहीं बना. तो अगर आप लोग उद्यम के रास्ते पर चल चुके हैं तो पैसा बनाना और पैसा कमाना 2 अलग अलग बातें हैं. जाते जाते एक बात बोलूँगी, सुनने में शायद गंदी लगे, लेकिन मेरे मेंटोर ने मुझसे बोली थी और मैं आप सभी लोगों से शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. यहाँ पर हम लोग ग्रोथ और सक्सेस स्टोरीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. आज इस इवेंट के बाद घर जाकर अपनी एक ऑबिचुरी लिखेगा. आई एम श्योर यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एन ऑबिचुरी इज़. जब किसी की मृत्यु होती है तो अखबार में 3 या 4 लाइनें आती हैं कि दुख के साथ ये सूचित किया जाता है कि फ़लाँ फ़लाँ की इस दिन किसी कारणवश मौत हो गई. और इस ऑबिचुरी को अपना विजन स्टेटमेंट अपने ग्रोथ के लिए बना लीजिएगा. ये ऑबिचुरी अलग अलग टाइप की हो सकती है. एक ऑबिचुरी ऐसी भी हो सकती है कि फ़लाँ ढिंकाना इंसान ने ज़िंदगी में अरबों पैसे कमाए. इस इंसान ने गुटखा बनाने की या गुटखा की एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया. इसकी वजह से लाखों लोगों की मृत्यु कैंसर से हुई. एक ऐसी भी ऑबिचुरी हो सकती है. और एक ऐसी ऑबिचुरी हो सकती है कि फ़लाँ इंसान ने लाखों में रुपए कमाए. ये अरबों में कमा सकते थे, लेकिन इन्होंने तेल के कुएं नहीं खोदे, डीजल की फैक्ट्रीज नहीं चलाईं. इन्होंने अपनी ऊर्जा को सोलर पैनल हार्वेस्टिंग में इन्वेस्ट किया, क्योंकि ये अपनी ग्रोथ के साथ साथ समाज की ग्रोथ भी चाहते थे. तो उद्यम जब करें तो हमेशा ध्यान रखें कि वो उद्यम जो सिर्फ पैसा बनाता है वो उद्यम नहीं होता। वो उद्यम जो पैसा कमाता है और खुद के उत्थान के साथ समाज के उत्थान का भी ध्यान रखता है, वो असली उद्यम होता है। So on your path to success and on your path to your growth, I wish you all the very best. And these were my 2 cents which I wanted to share as an image transformation coach. I work a lot on the inside and then I transform personalities on the outside. To my lovely host, thank you so much for the time, and I thank the entire team at National Excellence Awards once again.